we have 3-fennel. Apparently good for the digestive system when you drink it. So we're not going to go there. What's going to happen to my digestive system? So yeah, soothing, sweet and wild fennel seeds with fennel leaf. Now, for me, I may make a funny face at this point because anything to do with licorice or aniseed flavouring, I really am not a big fan. But already I can smell a bit of aniseed, so you want to check it out inside there. Put it in for 15 minutes. Another caffeine-free tea. See how we go on. I can smell it, the aniseed, but it's not as much aniseed as you can taste it. Not saying I've got COVID or anything, but it's not too bad.